Wild Garlic Salsa Verde, here we go. So we're just going to use half a banana shallot, just roughly chopped. A couple of cloves of garlic peeled. And a wee bunch of flat leaf parsley. 3 anchovies, and that's all going to go into the Magimix. Like my Magimix. Some capers in there, a bit of lemon zest, salt and pepper. Smash it all together, and then in with the wild garlic leaves. These have been picked fresh, washed really well and spun dry. There's Dijon mustard, some sherry vinegar and some good quality oil. Blend all that together, and that is your wild garlic salsa verde. Asparagus, we're just going to cut the stalky ends off. This is baby leek. I love baby leek at the moment. Jersey Royals, first of the year, what an absolute treat. So I always cook these from cold in salted water. New pan, fast boiling water with salt, and I'm just going to blanch the veggies. As a pasta basket, makes things a lot easier. Leeks and asparagus out. And then this is the lamb rump, properly seasoned. You're going to cook that on the griddle, just like a steak. Brown butter, parsley, potatoes in there, lovely stuff. Cut your lamb rumps. It's really nicely cooked. And then to plate it, all we're going to do is basically get the leeks and asparagus onto the plate, lamb rump on top, drizzle with salsa verde, a little bit of rapeseed oil, and there you go. Absolutely delicious wild garlic salsa verde.